If your eyes got damaged after using the mobile phone, then you must watch this. Eyesight can be damaged due to prolonged staring at mobile phones and computer screens. Follow these 5 steps to avoid eye strain and eye damage. Number 1. Coconut water eye wash. Coconut water is ideal for eye wash and eye drop solution. Using it regularly is an excellent way to prevent cataract, glaucoma, myopia, and perhaps all other eye conditions. Number 2. Apply 20-20-20 rule. What is 20-20-20 rule? So if you look at the screen for 20 minutes, you must look at something which is 20 feet away from you for at least 20 seconds. Number 3. Keep your phone 12 to 15 inches away while using it. Number 4. Get a good sleep. Not getting enough sleep may lead to itchiness, dryness, and bloodshot eyes, which may lead to infections. Number 6. Use Triphala to wash your eyes. The powdered Triphala can be used for an eye wash. Mix the powdered Triphala in fresh water and use it to wash your eyes frequently. Number 7. Eat more spinach, carrots, beans, almonds, fish liver oil to nourish your eyes and with vitamins, and drink more water. Number 8. Ayurvedic therapy called Netratarpanam will be effective in all eye diseases. Have a regular practice of doing Netratarpanam to nourish your eyes naturally. Netratarpana cools, lubricates, and revitalizes the eye. Netratarpana is an Ayurvedic eye rejuvenating therapy. It helps bring back clarity to the eyes and restores the health of damaged eye.